Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling a complete packet so nothing gets lost. First, tailor your cover letter to the role. Explain concisely why you fit. Once done, print resume and attachments on good 24-32 lb paper for a professional feel and organize them in order matching the job posting. Make sure to include a references page and any required forms. Finally, confirm the exact recipient name, title, department, and address. Clarity here prevents delays and misrouted mail. Next, prepare the package to arrive in perfect condition. Place the cover letter on top so reviewers see it first, then protect documents with a thin cardboard insert. Avoid bulky staples that crease pages. Once packed, clearly print or type recipient details on the outer envelope and add your return address. For reliability, choose tracked shipping like USPS Priority or a courier and select Signature on Delivery if documents are sensitive. Keep the tracking number and expected delivery date for follow-up. Finish by confirming the packet arrived and staying proactive. After the tracking shows delivered, wait about 5 to 7 business days and then call or email the hiring contact to confirm receipt. This shows professionalism and keeps you top of mind. If tracking shows an issue or the package is lost, immediately file a claim with the carrier and resend a tracked packet or offer an electronic copy. Keep scanned copies of every page so you can resubmit quickly and explain precisely what was mailed if questions arise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.